She remind me of Yogi.
Okay, guys, it's Ivy's Coupon Camp. We are in Columbia, and let's see what they got. They got some good deals, $17.99 on some stuff. Oh, look at that. Let's see, $34, but they $17.99 now. And I like these. They got black ones. Okay, I like. And here is some. Oh, I like these. The curved jackets for $89, and they got this in the inside, so that means that they fight off cold. They're $89. See how they look, guys? They curved, so that's how they look like that. Like they got the sides going. Let's see, they got a gray one. Okay, you can see the gray one better. See that? It's curvy. And then they have a blue one, which I actually like these. I like these. Oh, look at this. Here's one. It's 49. I guess this is it without the sleeves on it. That's funny, but this is it. I love those. Look, sleeveless coats with those in them. And here's some for $59. They got some purple ones and some green ones. And they $59. The white out twos, is that what they call? Yep, $59. So they was originally $99 from $150. You guys can come over here. That's all. Oh, I like that one. I think I'm gonna get this one. I like these. Oh my goodness. So I might look at one of these because this jacket I got on is just like that. But it's a extra small, so your girl ain't an extra small. So they have black, they got blue, they got baby blue. I want an olive color, but I see these is all extra smalls and small. So they don't like literally sold out of every one of them. And guys, no larges. They have mediums. I'm not even a medium at this point. Okay, so here's some for $69 right here. I like those too. Oh, look. And it's got this in the inside of it. And these are $69. Let me see the inside. Let me see the inside of these. Oh, okay. So all of them has this stuff in the inside of it. See that, guys? So that's what you want to see, really. Here's another one. Now, I don't like these Columbia jackets. I know a lot of people do, but I don't. I'm not a fan of those jackets. But, of course, I know other people do. And they are actually $119. Look at that. They got the different color ones over here. They got a white one right here. That's nice. Then they got a blue one. Oh, a baby blue one. Lord. Got that. These are $129. Okay. And they got these. Now, we are in here because my daughter is actually looking for her dad a jacket. Now, my husband usually like the fleece ones. She said she couldn't find one. Look at this. A long one, and it's $49. $49. Then here's one. Okay, so that's the rest of them. So they are really working on extra small, smalls. Okay, here's an extra large, because there ain't no large. That's an extra large. So, like it'll be too wide. A large will fit me perfectly. A medium, I wouldn't be able to get the medium over my butt. I already know that. Okay, so these are kind of, okay, what are these? Here's some more annual outerwear. Okay, these are super thin though. They $49. Let's see how the inside looks. Okay, not that ice in the inside. I call it ice because that's what they say it does block out the ice. They got a different color. They got a black one, a maroon one, this color. Okay, so that ain't bad right there. They kind of working with it, trying to get it together. What's these? Are these Columbians? No, this is Blender. I think Blender owned theirs too. And then here's another one. Okay, so you got a lot of these pullover shirts right here. I like these. Okay, I like those. That is $24. It's $24, and those are tight shirts that keep you warm. And I see so many people in these. So I just want you to see them. Okay. Then you got those. Okay, what are these? All these t-shirts, 2 for $25. Take a hike. Let's see how they look. Okay. They are super thin for one. super thin. Okay, let's go. We looking for this for my cousin. She wears. This is her signature right here, Columbia. Where is this at? Right here. Let's go look. Okay, I like this one too. That's a cute Columbia. That's cute. I like that. 79. And here's the maroon one. Okay, here we go with these. These are 24. And they are fleece full zip. No, they don't have no zipper. They button. Okay, so these are nice too. Oh, here. So those just in the wrong place. Here they are, fleece pulls. I like these. Kind of like a nice. Okay. That's cute. Again, shape for a woman. You see the curve in it? I always look for it. You want to flatter your shape? Get something already with a curve cut in it. It's going to flatter your shape even more. Okay. That comes from a daughter who had a mama that was a catalog model. Oh, this is cute. I like this one. Okay, let me ask her about this one. But they all small sizes.
I know.
All small. Everything is small.
Extra small.
You'll pull something out of there, yeah. Like, they got every extra small because those people really don't exist.
Yeah, right? Once upon a time.
Yeah. You know, everybody else, we eat now, so we need to check the hangers because inside is difficult. Thank you, I appreciate it. What about this one for? That's $24. Do you think that's too small for her?
What you get? A medium?
Yeah, it's a medium.
Most need to wear a large.
Do she? Oh, Lord. My cousin found that out. She'll have a fit. Okay. It's a clearance up in here, too, guys. So the line now, oh, those $24. That ain't no clearance to me.
$6
Okay.
for me.
Oh, those are t-shirts, and they $6. Okay, $6.98. They was $19.99 and under. So, oh, that's a nice work shirt for me.
You have Columbia.
$14? No. Sleeve, no trace. That one's $6.98. They are super thin, though. Super
They
thin.
show out.
Yes,
They show
like-
you have to wear them under something.
Yeah, you have to wear something. Oh, Lord. Okay. Those are. You didn't like. Okay, here's the kids. All of these kids, 69, those are 29, 17. Oh, look, Carly. That's cute. I love those. Oh, that'd be really cute. Like the babies. Let's see. They $19?
Yeah, $19.99.
Oh, they $19. Oh, that's cute.
Maybe I get him a little.
So, and here's another deal over here, guys. This is, look at this. These, how much are they? $14. This is for a little baby. This is for a tiny baby. Look at that. Okay, and they are $14. It's tons of them, guys. So now they got them up in here. They got them in 18 months, 6 months, 3 months. Okay. How much are these? Look at the little t-shirts. Columbia t-shirts, they $9. They coming in all different colors for the kids. They got all the colors, guys. Like tons. Look at that. Like all the t-shirts. All of them. And I need to find the boys some t-shirts because they running out of everything. Well, they grew out of everything. That is so gorgeous. I love those. And here we have some more. Oh, let me see. Okay, so let me let you finish looking at the kids. I hate to skip like that. So here's some more. These are different color ones. Look at that. I actually like this color. It's kind of bolder. Like that. Look, guys, they got a printed one. Look. Carly. Carly. That's pretty. Oh, look at my daughter. My daughter have perfect taste, guys. She always pick the nicest stuff. Look at that. $39. It's Columbia. It's for our niece that's 3 to 6 months. Look at that. She will be so excited. Guys, I hope you all enjoying shopping with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit like and drop a comment. I like to talk to you guys, especially when I'm shopping. I love to talk. So drop a comment. I'll try to get back to it. Oh, here's some more little ones. Look, 25, Carly. This one 25.
What size is it?
It's 3 months.
Oh, I got 0. Is it 0?
Oh, okay. So we just saved $15, guys. Look at these. Oh, wow. Y'all get out here and get these these clothes. We in the Columbia outlet in Chicago. We do this every year. This is a tradition for us. So just make sure you pay attention to everything that you're seeing because all of this is on sale, everything. They got all their summer clothes, summer clothes on sale. Wow. So it's so much. That's my daughter and my mother and my granddaughter you hear in the background talking, guys. Like I'm shopping for real, for real. $6.98. That's cute. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe. Bye.